Good morning. Today we're in Falmouth, Massachusetts. We just installed an Ecoer SDI Extreme system. It's zoned. It has 2 zones in this house. We have our outdoor side discharge unit here. Good morning. Today we're here with Balanced Heating and Air Conditioning, correct?
Yep, Balanced HVAC.
And we're talking to Jeremy.
Yep.
And I would like to take a few minutes to give him the opportunity to tell us what he thinks about Ecoer. He's installed quite a few systems. Our ESI Decades and our SDI, he just installed on the zoning system. So I'll let him.
Some things I like with the Ecoers, the display in the outdoor unit is telling you exactly what's running, what its pressures are, what its temps are. I really like how compatible it is with everything, where you can, connect traditional thermostats, communicating thermostats really easily. Customers really like it. No complaints so far with them. But yeah, pretty much it's the ease of seeing what's actually going on with the system is what my biggest, thing about them is.
And what's your thoughts on the install? Is it a pretty easy straight install for you? With the auto charge mode and
yeah, the auto charge mode's great, easy install. I mean, you can almost set a few dip switches if you're not using the communicating thermostat, and then just let the thing go. As long as you measure your line sets and weigh in proper, works good.
Thank you. Appreciate your business.
Thank you.